To deposit a check using the TD Bank mobile app, start by opening the app on your mobile device and logging into your account. If you have not already downloaded the app, you can do so from the App Store or Google Play. Once you are logged in, select the account where you want to deposit the check. This could be your checking or savings account. Next, tap the Deposit Check option, which is usually found on the main screen or under the menu. You will then be prompted to take a picture of the front and back of the check. Make sure the check is endorsed with your signature and include the phrase for mobile deposit. The app will guide you through the process of taking the pictures, ensuring they are clear and legible. After taking the pictures, enter the check amount and select the account where you want to deposit the funds. Review the deposit details to ensure everything is correct, including the check amount and account number. If everything is correct, submit the deposit. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that the deposit has been successfully submitted. The funds will be available in your account based on the bank's deposit funds availability policy. It is essential to keep the check in a safe place until the deposit is confirmed and the funds are available in your account. After the deposit is confirmed, you can void the check by writing void on it to prevent it from being deposited again. To avoid any issues, ensure the check is properly endorsed, the pictures are clear, and the deposit details are accurate. Also, be aware of the bank's mobile deposit limits and cutoff times to ensure your deposit is processed on time. By following these steps, you can easily deposit a check using the TD Bank mobile app, saving you time and providing a convenient way to manage your finances.